driving in a big V8 rear-wheel drive car is 100% possible if you are suited with proper snow tires.
Here we are getting my Charger ready for the winter. I'm going to be putting on some Bridgestone Blizzaks WS70s, which I really love. Unfortunately, they're discontinued.
Here's a quick difference of the RSA 2s and my Blizzak snow tires.
Here she is, all suited up. First, I'm going to show you a quick clip of us driving without snow tires, and then the remainder of the video will be this Charger driving in harsh winter conditions.
You guys ready for this stuff yet?
No.
Naturally, I wasn't prepared, didn't have my snow tires on yet, so I will be getting those guys on as soon as I can. We are stopping because the road's starting to become snow covered. Well, first snow of the year. Good stuff, man. I don't have my snow tires on yet. This could get interesting. I've never driven this car in the snow without snow tires, so.
Scary or fun?
Probably more scary than fun.
Just take it easy. Don't push the pedal on the hill. Don't press the gas at all.
Alright, boss. So I'm going to be taking it easy.
Keep right.
First snow, people will know how to drive in it.
I don't know what it was.
Oh boy, what a hill. This will be interesting.
Living on a hill. Did the teddy spin?
Oh yeah. Oh man.
The person behind us, we just threw a ton of snow on them.
Oh yeah, we need our snow tires, man. Holy smokes. Oh, and there's a Challenger. Right there. Poor guy.
Challenger in the same family as you.
The beautiful thing about it is, look at this, guys. I am actually steering without sliding. I'm doing S's in all this deep snow. A bit more snow here. See, I'll even drive through the crap here, up a hill. Even having a little bit of fun with it too. No problems. Totally predictable. So I'm telling you guys, snow tires, rear-wheel drive, no problem. I'm driving right now on pretty deep stuff, and most trouble I had was just back there getting out, and you guys saw that I got moving right away. So let's go into more really deep snow, probably about 8 inches. Just plowing through this stuff, slowing down, starting up, no problems. Hey guys, it's our first big snowstorm of the year. Kind of excited about it. Excited to get the good old Charger out in the snow. Alright guys, out in the Charger. First major snowstorm of the year. Supposed to get upwards of a foot, maybe a foot and a half in my area. It's about 5 or 6 inches on the road right now. Plows have yet to come down because of the intensity. I'm just taking my car out for a quick little spin here to see you know, how she does in the inclement weather on the 3rd year on these snow tires. So I'm just gonna do some side street driving. Oh yeah, this thing is just amazing. Woohoo! Haha! That was a little exciting. Why ask why? Rear wheel drive. Just want to see how passable these streets are and whatnot. Let's see how we can do. God, sorry if you guys can't see the can't keep my windows clear. But yeah, right now I'm driving in sport mode. I like to drive in sport mode over the normal drive mode because it allows the car to get a little bit more wheel spin when you're driving. I don't know, it's a little bit more fun at times too. Some of these cases I'm the first ones going down. Can't even see where the street is, to be honest. Alright, so I'm gonna get a little fishtailing fun here. There we go. Oh yeah. Damn, this thing does good. This is just child's play, gentlemen. Alright, so I am on a hill. I don't know if you guys can even tell. Well, I guess it flattens out a little bit. I'm gonna go take a left here. And this is actually a hill. Alright guys, so coming up, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go down that cul-de-sac, turn around, and make a complete stop at the stop sign on a decent gradual incline, probably about 5 or 10 degrees. Now, the one thing I wouldn't do under normal circumstances is come to a complete stop. I would keep it rolling. But what I want to do is I want to come to a complete stop just to demonstrate and just to see how well the Charger actually does from a dead stop in about 4 to 8 inches of snow. So let's see how it goes. I don't know how much you guys can tell, but I am completely on a hill, and I'm going to take this thing to a complete stop. And if you see ahead of me, there is another hill. So let's see how she does. That is actually the most trouble I've ever had. However, that was a good little hill. And from a dead stop, I was able to get out of it anyway. This Dodge Charger in the winter is an absolute, utter beast. Man, this car is so good in the snow. It is unbelievable. Alright guys, we're going to head out for round 2. Actually have to run out and actually rescue somebody who's out in the storm. Front wheel drive car with all season tires got stuck in the snowstorm. So what I'm going out in is in a V8, a 5.7 liter Hemi rear wheel drive car to go out in the rescue. And I'm in Northeast Ohio. At this point we are at about 8 to 11 inches of snow, of which the snow plows have not come down any of the roads yet. So I am on my own, you know, on this rescue. So as you can see here, I'm on a residential street right now. There's almost no tracks through it because nobody's out and about. But the snow that I am driving through is probably anywhere between 4 and 8 inches deep. And right now I'm kind of on a hill. So looks like someone plowed their stuff here. Let's just kind of drive through it. No problems. And basically, just wanted to do a video here, you know, in like a compilation to the previous ones I've done, that winter driving in a big V8 rear wheel drive car is 100% possible.
if you are suited with proper snow tires. So for those of you who do not know my specs, I have 18-inch Mopar police wheels on my 2016 Dodge Charger RT. I have Bridgestone Blizzaks, the WS70s, which unfortunately at this time are discontinued, but I have nothing but awesome things to say for these tires. So, I mean, as you can see, you know, no tire tracks through here, and I'm just kind of taking a long way through, or to get to my rescue. But you can't even see over to the right there, but that's where the plows have come through and left their big piles of snow. So as you can see, I'm going through, you know, this residential area that hasn't been plowed yet, with little to no trouble whatsoever. Let's see here, I gotta make a decision here on which way I want to go. So I'm gonna go this way here. But basically, as you guys can see, I have a big V8 rear wheel drive, and I'm having no problems whatsoever getting through this. And this isn't freshly fallen snow. This is in the middle of a snowstorm, and I mean, you guys can see what I'm driving through right now in the, you know, at night. So no problems at all. So just wanted to do a quick winter storm video, just to kind of reiterate to you guys that, you know, if you guys have any apprehensions to driving a Dodge Charger or Challenger in the winter, I would say don't worry about it. Just get yourselves a nice set of snow tires, and of course, you know, use some caution. But well, it looks like plow actually made it down this one. But as I was kind of saying before, oh man, kind of got myself lost here. Hold on, pull around here. Alright guys, so that's basically it. Hopefully the video comes through pretty good, you know, because it is at night. But just wanted to show you guys that driving these monster V8s in the winter, not a problem at all. So hope you guys are staying warm, and if you are affected by this snowstorm, you know, take your necessary precautions to you know, stay safe and, you know, take it easy. So with that, guys, I will let you guys go, and I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take care.